Hello. Have you had a breakup or divorce? Are you still suffering from the emotional trauma that was caused by this breakup or divorce? If yes, I can help you heal very fast. My name is Dr. Grace Anderson. I'm an accredited master coach. I'm also an NLP practitioner, and I help my clients recover very quickly from the pain of their breakup so they can start the process of rebuilding their lives very positively. If you need help recovering from your breakup or divorce, then contact me. Go to my website, www.drgraceanderson.com, and book a free discovery call with me. Thank you.